This is an emergency alert system broadcast. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. At 14:30 hours today, unidentified flying objects have been detected entering Earth's atmosphere at a rapid pace. The President of the United States has declared a state of emergency. Reports indicate that over 50 unidentified objects are on a collision course with Earth. Citizens are urged to cease all outdoor activities and seek shelter immediately. If you are in a vehicle, continue to your destination and do not exit unless reaching a secure building. Defense missiles and fighter jets are actively engaged in intercepting and neutralizing these objects. Stay vigilant and take cover. Do not approach any crash sites. Within 24 hours, FBI agents may visit those in the vicinity of crash sites for testimonies. Your identity will remain anonymous and a badge will be shown for verification. Cover security cameras during the meeting. Any visible cameras will be destroyed at your expense to ensure the confidentiality of this situation. This is a critical moment for our nation. Follow all directives from emergency services and remain indoors until further notice. Stay tuned to official channels for updates and instructions. This concludes this emergency alert system broadcast. Your cooperation is vital for our collective safety. Stay safe, stay informed, and may we navigate through this unprecedented event together.